welcome po my vlog guys. So, may nag-order sa akin sa halagang 12 pesos na mga photocard. Ito yan. Magbubunot na tayo. Okay guys. So, first, sanitize. Sanitize muna tayo ng sa kamay. And then next, let's pack the order. Bunot na tayo dito na 11 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Double check natin. 1 ay photo card. 2 photo card din. 3 photo card din. 4 photo card rin. 5 is marker. 4 marker. 5 and the next photo card and next photo card ulit. Next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 marker. Photo card, marker, ito na marker, 4 and 4 marker and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of photo card. Kuha na tayo. Random to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pieces. Okay na dito. Ilalagay na natin siya ulit. The next is 4 marker. Walang tayo dito. Ang color is 4 markers. 4 markers. And then let's pack for the shop. Tagyan na natin yung 4 markers. We are going to put and 7 promo cards. Promo cards or photo cards. This is our order. Thanks for alcohol muna pala natin. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.